Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another quick crypto video update. And guys, my entire feed is just filled with Super Bowl. It is crazy. And all because there's some crypto ads at the Super Bowl. Yes, it is that funny. Now, actually, the most important takeaway from all of that was actually Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and whatnot. To be completely open and honest with you, I really wasn't as excited about anything else rather than that. Why? Well, because of the article you're seeing right here. Dogecoin surges as Elon Musk reignites McDonald's rumors. Of course, a lot of people are speculating that there's going to be some sort of dog type of crypto at the Super Bowl. To be honest with you guys, I don't know exactly the time, as in the minute, that the ads will show at the Super Bowl. And so I do not even know if by the time I upload this video, the commercials will already have been. But let me tell you guys real quick. If you're hyped up for this, be only hyped up in terms of just excitement. Yes, there may be a pump and dump for any one crypto that shows up, but that is pure degenerate activity. Let me tell you guys right quick, if a crypto pumps like crazy because of a marketing stunt like that, it's not sustainable. Why? Because it doesn't logically make sense. Even if all the people decidedly, or I guess combined, cumulatively, start to open up their apps and start buying that crypto massively. It's all just horde mentality. Marketing at this massive of a scale is most effective for exchanges, yet those are signups for people who might deposit something soon, who might then again buy something a little bit later than that. And so theoretically speaking, this can be a big push for exchange tokens like an FTX, a BNB, a Crow, yes. But for a lot of the meme tokens and whatnot, I think it's going to be mostly a pump and dump if it actually does go up. Then again, I believe that because the announcements have been going on for days right now about all these different cryptos, and I've seen a dozen different people talking about how Shiba Inu might get to the freaking Super Bowl, or how XRP is going to be on there, or how Hedera is going to be on there. Let's just wait it out. Let's see. None of that stuff is going to make any big difference whatsoever. Why is it making a difference? Purely because we're hyping it up. Because at the end of the day, it's just another marketing thing. Is everybody that hyped up that Crypto.com keeps getting these partnerships for the Miami F1 or whatever stadium that they got? Yes and no. Why? Well, because it is good for the exchange and good for their basically brand awareness, but in reality for the crypto prices, it doesn't really matter that much. And you might say, well, but it's really good for crypto adoption. And I will agree with you. I will say, yeah, it is indeed pretty good for crypto adoption. But will we really see that today in our wallets? No. And will people really buy more cryptocurrency, or will people start buying cryptocurrency more because of an ad like that? I think yes, but again, not straight away. So if the price is all of a sudden pumping, just know that this is just either manipulation like we talked about before, or it's a little bit of hype and FOMO because the actual people buying the ad and even the people speculating are most likely either doing it impulsively, which again also are weak hands and sell quickly again, or are doing it because they know something else, which we don't. But logically speaking, it should generally, like over a longer period of time, increase the price. But again, gradually, not a crazy pump. Now, I wanted to quickly cover this news though, because Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and whatnot are actually up for some other news that is not really related to the Super Bowl itself at all. I saw it. So, to the delight of Dogecoin fans, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has added more grist to the McDonald's rumor mill by tweeting that sweat dropless emoji at the official account of the fast food giant. So yes, guys, we've literally gotten to this level now. What happened was the billionaire's reply came shortly after McDonald's started teasing its followers with an announcement that appears to be slated for February 13th. So, basically today, officially for me it's already Valentine's Day, but for a couple of guys it's still the 13th. Trader Cantering Clark saw the recent interaction between Musk and McDonald's as a potential bullish catalyst for Dogecoin, claiming that he went long on the popular meme token. And you can see the 598. Never mind. I wanted to say the 589 joke, but it's mostly within the XP community. And all it's been is just people going crazy in the comment section of this and people going rampant because of the Elon Musk announcement. And it's kind of a mix, I would say. People are right now going massively into these meme tokens, mostly for the fact that there might be some announcement at the Super Bowl, but also partially because Elon Musk is coming in on this. Because if McDonald's says, the 13th of February 2022, and Elon Musk has been kind of shouting at them to accept Dogecoin, and he'll buy a Happy Meal if they do, and he's interacting with that. You know, I'm kind of thinking like, wet dream, maybe something like that. And Elon Musk's is, a little secret. I started thinking too, and if I even, who's not necessarily a great Dogecoin fan, I do hold some Doge, but as you heard before, I lost tens of thousands of dollars worth of Doge because Cryptopia, a crypto exchange from way back in the day, basically shut themselves down. I don't know what actually happened to them. Maybe they exit scam, maybe they lost. I don't know exactly what happened to them, but yeah, that's where I lost the majority of my Doge. I had so much because it used to be worthless, which is funny. But it's gone now. It might be hundreds of thousands of dollars. I don't remember if it was $500,000 or 50,000 at the time where I covered it a little while ago. It could be more even. I just don't remember, quite frankly. Now, many thought that the cheesy joke was the end of Musk's push to make McDonald's embrace Dogecoin, but the most recent Twitter exchange might indicate that there's more to come. Because apparently, after the industry experienced massive growth in 2021, the crypto community is now preparing for a Super Bowl ad, blitz reminiscent of the peak of the dot-com era. And that's honestly what I want to kind of share here. Super Bowl commercial frequently asked questions. Will Dogecoin or any crypto make an appearance at the Super Bowl? Maybe. It's going to be a lot of crypto commercials. It is possible there will be a reference in one. So it's definitely possible. Should I get all disappointed and pitchforky if there isn't? No, don't be lame, please. I'm telling you guys the exact same thing. Right now, don't worry if something doesn't show up. Don't get too excited if something does show up. Everybody is speculating about this right now. Prepare yourself, it says. Let me actually, give me a second. Yeah, so I decided to look it up for a little second, and apparently the Super Bowl is going to start at about 3:30 a.m. for me, which is, oh, wait a minute. Is this Sunday, February 3rd? Or, wait a minute, am I stupid? You know what, after 5 seconds of clicking the other things on, I'm assuming just that it's again 3:30 a.m. because here it says that it's going to be, some bars are going to be open from 3 a.m. on forward. So I'm definitely not going to be watching this. If you guys were wondering about that, I'll just see the news come out tomorrow, I guess. But I saw this in the New York Times, and it says, prepare yourself for this weekend's crypto bull. The Super Bowl will feature commercial breaks that embrace the usual jokes and celebrities, plus a whole lot of blockchain. Again, guys, what I'm going to say is there's going to be a lot of exchanges. Crypto.com is going to be on there for sure. FTX is going to be on there for sure. And there might be some references to some fun crypto. We don't really know just quite yet exactly what is going to be on there. But understand as well that if there's a certain pump happening, most likely it's a little bit of a pump and dump / unsustainable. And if we're honestly talking about which coins have the most potential to be bought right now, I'm talking about the Crypto.com token and the FTX token. Why? Well, because logically, if the exchange is going to get some massive promotion and they're going to get some massive influx of people, they usually do buy the token in that's primarily on that specific exchange. And so I'm giving you guys a little heads up, not financial advice, purely my own thoughts that it might be something to look into. To just maybe potentially pick up a couple of coins purely from the perspective that this is the crypto bull. People in the crypto space looking at it, but also normal people. The name is basically dubbed everywhere. These exchanges for sure are going to be running. And whatever crypto comes in there, I think some degenerates, if I can't call them that, are going to buy really quickly once we see the ad. And so there might be some pumps and umps. I'm making this video right now at about 12:20 a.m. So, it's my little prediction up front. Is it going to come through? We'll have to see. I just want to quickly say and tell you guys, if there's some crazy pumps, most likely there's going to be some crazy dumps pretty soon afterwards because either the entire crypto market has to pump due to the crypto bull, but even then, it doesn't make a lot of sense, fundamentally. Then again, a complete counter is just made a video on my channel, right, talking about currency price manipulation. If the crypto prices all of a sudden pump like crazy, I'm going to take a little bit of a break for a little bit and rethink everything because that basically means that either crypto's gone to the absolute bottom of the bottom in terms of logic and in terms of actual validation and solidness of the prices and the markets. And it's all just one big show of manipulation. But again, it might actually happen to be that way. So let us see. You guys understand my opinion by now, and hopefully you enjoy the Super Bowl. Let me know down below as quick as you can if you're watching the video or you're watching the bowl, what ads were shown. Because I'm going to see you tomorrow in the morning when I wake up, and I'll definitely take a little bit of a look. So enjoy the show. Hope you guys all enjoy it, and see you guys later.